In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users and share account access in Mailchimp. Whether you're collaborating with your team or simply need to provide specific access to certain members, sharing account access in Mailchimp is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps to ensure everything runs smoothly. First things first, you need to log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to mailchimp.com and enter your login credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to your account settings where all the magic happens regarding user management. Take a look at the top right corner of your Mailchimp dashboard. You'll find your profile icon there, so go ahead and click on it. Doing so will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Account and Billing option. This section is where you can control various aspects of your Mailchimp account, including adding new users. Once you're in the account section, look for the settings area. Here you'll find a tab labeled Users. Click on Users to proceed to the User Management section. This is your gateway to handling user roles and permissions within your account. In this section, you'll see an option to invite a user. Click on this to start the process of adding someone else to your account. A form will appear prompting you to enter the user details of the person you want to invite. Begin by providing the email address associated with that person. It's crucial to double check the email address to avoid sending invites to the wrong person. Now comes an essential part, choosing the appropriate user role. Mailchimp offers several roles to fit different needs: viewer, author, manager, and admin. The viewer role is for those who need to see reports and campaigns, but shouldn't make any changes. The author can create and edit campaigns, but is restricted from sending them out. If you want someone who can create, edit, and send campaigns, then the manager role is what you're looking for. Lastly, the admin role is the most powerful, offering full access to the account, including billing information. Choose the role that best suits the responsibilities of the person you're inviting. Once you've set the role, you're ready to send the invitation. Hit the send invite button and an email will be sent to the invitee. They will receive an email containing a link to access your account. To gain access, they must click on this link, accept the invitation, and either log into their existing Mailchimp account or create a new one if they haven't used Mailchimp before. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a user to your Mailchimp account and shared the necessary access, all tailored to what they need. Collaboration through Mailchimp is now one step easier. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.